Before you watch this episode, go to part 1. After going to the largest Christmas store in the Southwest in my state, my dream for when I have my own house is to buy a Christmas tree and keep it up all year. And I had so many ideas to decorate my studio. With that being said, I went to Ross and went Christmas shopping. And since I will be making pastries, we all know making pastries can get messy. So, to make sure you guys don't think I recycled the same intro from Vlogmas Day 6, December 6th, I am making this one. I will be posting a video every day this month for Vlogmas. So that you don't miss any videos this month, subscribe and click the bell for future notifications. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit the like button and share it on your social medias with your friends and family. Today is Vlogmas Day 7, December 7th. The pillows I will be placing on the zebra chairs right here. The blanket, I'm gonna leave it like this and just put it on the chair. The candle holder I'm going to remove from the box. I need someone that has more space. I have no now. It's not right here. It's inside the box. So I'm going to put it pretty. Oh, I can get rid of that. You don't undo the ribbon. Oh wow! It's so much shinier than it looked in the box. Look at this. To get stuff from my garage for more Christmas decorations. Fun fact, this Santa scared me so much as a kid. Honestly, it kind of still does. But all for the spirit of Christmas, right guys? The next thing I got is this music box. I'm thinking instead of putting the candle holder, I'm gonna put the music box. Yeah, I like it. One more thing I have to get from downstairs. I just came back from downstairs to look for the last piece I wanted to bring, and I was unable to find it. It was a wire Christmas tree with little lights that change colors, and I wanted to put that up here too, but I couldn't find it. So where I put the Santa and the candle holder is in an area of my studio I'm not sure if you've seen before. It's right here. So in my studio I have this little kitchen table, and I put my candle holder right here, the Santa right here, and the diamond telephone I had where the music box is, also in the table. It doesn't really look that much Christmassy to have a diamond telephone with Christmas decorations, but it has to do because I need somewhere to put it. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. See you tomorrow.